Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I will introduce you Mingyu 938D series wheel loader. Small turning radius, shovel stably. Thickened axles and boom with unique design increase the breakout force. It's equipped with high-end powerful engine, fuel saving and high efficiency. The unique design of cyclone air inlet and exhaust rear hood can effectively avoid engine high temperature, increase service life, also make maintenance more convenient. The thick hinged plate is solid and reliable. Let's recap. Large space provides wide field of vision which can reduce driver fatigue. Bucket capacity is 0.9 cubic meter, equipped with anti-slip rear-resistant tires. Split automatic gearbox, multi-gear design, fast and easy to control, stable and durable. Give me a thumb up or share the link if you like this video. See you next time.